Hey everyone, so I am here back with the video of social science subject. So dear students, just now you have finished your SA1 exam, means your first semester was finished, completed. So now we are going to start our second semester book of social science subject, and today we are going to deal with unit number 8 from second semester book. Okay. Now first, let me clear one thing, that as we are living in the era, we are living in a country and we are human beings, right? So as a human being, we are facing lots of problems, lots of trouble, lots of challenges in our day-to-day life. Okay. It is necessary if I say that yes, challenges and problems are necessary, because अगर challenges नहीं है, problems नहीं है, so our life became boring, right? हमारी life कैसे हो जाती है, बोर हो जाती है. और if someone is challenging you to do something, at that time your spirit becomes more powerful, right? कोई अगर आपको challenge करता है कि तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तो हमारा जो वो काम करने की शक्ति है वो डबल हो जाती है ना, और हम वो ज्यादा पावर के साथ वो काम हम करते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज हमें किसी ने चैलेंज किया है, राइट? सो whenever we are facing any kind of challenge, whenever we are facing any kind of problem, so with that problem, with that trouble, with that challenge, we have solution of it also, right? We have solutions. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है उसका कोई ना कोई सॉल्यूशंस तो होता ही है, क्योंकि ऐसी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं जो हम फेस ना कर सके, राइट? इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम इज अकर्ड इन योर लाइफ, कहीं ना कहीं पर वो प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर नंबर 8, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट इंडियाज चैलेंजेस एंड इट्स सॉल्यूशन, राइट? India is a country, and we know in our country there are lots of problems, lots of trouble, lots of challenges for the people, those who are living in this country. So we'll discuss what are the problems the Indian people face, and what are the challenges, and what are the solutions to come out from that challenges, come out from that problems. Okay, so today we're going to learn unit number 8, India challenges and solutions. Okay, now let's see what is there in the chapter. Just if you have textbook, then open your textbook, chapter number 8, page number 62. In the modern times, the external means of development have changed, but the internal means of development have more or less remained the same. Honestly, moral values, awareness towards the rights and duties of a citizen, traffic awareness, sensitivity towards environment, scientific attitude, etc. have not developed as much as material development. Social evils like superstitions, literacy, ignorance still prevail in our society. Yes, this is true, right? Nowadays, as we are living in the modern era, we are so much attached with the new technology, new things, right? New world, modern world. So, with this modernity, we develop ourselves. But in which sense? Dressing, smartness, technology, इन सब चीज़ों में हम आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. But what about the internal awareness? हम एक्सटर्नल अवेयरनेस हमारे अंदर हो रहा है, हमारी एक्सटर्नल अवेयरनेस है वो इंक्रीज हो रही है. वी चेंज अवर ड्रेसिंग सेंस, we change our dressing style, we change our hairstyle, we change our using of technology, we are started using the various gadgets at our home, right? So ये जो चीजें हैं, this is called external awareness, right? But our internal awareness it's still not increased, right? वो अभी तक increase नहीं हुई है। कौन-कौन सी है वो? Right now we are not aware about the duties and rights of citizens as we are living in India, but still we are don't know कि हमारे rights कौन से हैं, हमारी duties कौन सी है हमारे देश के प्रति, है ना? वो अभी तक हमें नहीं पता है। Traffic awareness, that if we know then also we are not following, right? उसकी awareness भी हमारे अंदर नहीं है। सभी को जल्दी होती है, मुझे यहाँ से निकल जाना है, यहाँ से निकल जाना है, कहीं से भी जगह निकाल के वो लोग निकल जाते हैं। वो भी अवेयरनेस अभी तक हमारे अंदर नहीं है। सेंसिटिविटी टुवर्ड्स एनवायरनमेंट, एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करना तो हमें आता ही नहीं है, राइट? जब 22 अक्टूबर हो एट दैट टाइम, यस, हम सब एनवायरनमेंट के लवर्स हो जाते हैं। जब एनवायरनमेंट डे हो 5 जून, तब हम एनवायरनमेंट के लवर्स हो जाते हैं। बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स डेज, राइट? We are not taking care of that. So this is about internal awareness, which is not developed yet. Institution of the local self-government, educational institutions, and the non-government voluntary organizations (NGO) have played a vital role in ensuring the social and professional development of the nation. The society shows many positive changes, which is a very creditable fact. Still, there are many more challenges to be faced. Pollution, unemployment, poverty, literacy, terrorism, etc. are serious problems to ponder over. It is necessary to think about them and find a solution to it. The idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is my family, need to be inculcated. Now, these things you already know. Now you are studying in 8th standard, right? So you all are aware about the challenges which we are facing nowadays, right? Now is the COVID-19 is going on, and during this 8 months, we have faced lots of problems just because of this reason, because of poverty, right? कितनी सारी problems हुई because of unemployment. हम unemployment की वजह से क्या क्या होता है? We know if we have not one person, if we have only one person in our family who is earning for the whole family, then how the situation of that family, that only that family can know, right? वो सिर्फ उनको पता होता है। घर में 5 लोग हैं, लेकिन कम पैसे लाने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन जो है वो काम कर रहा है, पूरी फैमिली के वही अर्न कर रहा है। तो क्या होता है? दैट वी नो, राइट? सो दिस इज द मोस्ट राइजिंग इश्यू ऑफ आवर कंट्री, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, poverty, pollution, and then terrorism. Classification of challenges faced by India. Now here in this diagram it is shown the challenges, classification of the challenges which is faced by India. Okay, so the challenges of India is divided into 4 parts, right? First is internal problems, regional problems, border problems, and natural problems. Now these are the classifications of challenges which faced by India. Now internal problems, which challenges are included in internal problems? Overpopulation, literacy, inflation, poverty, unemployment, urbanization, communalism, corruption, and terrorism. These are known as internal problems. Okay, ये internal problems हैं. Then regional problems. Regional problems क्या क्या होती है? Discrimination based on languages. If state to state, country to country, language of the people may be changed. Okay, so discrimination based on languages, languages के base पे discrimination होना, it is regional problem. Then regionalism. Now borders problems में कुछ भी नहीं है. Then natural problems includes flood, famine, earthquake, tsunami, volcanic eruption and cyclone. Nowadays we are facing COVID-19. It is also natural problem. Okay, ये किसी ने जानबूझ के बनाया हुआ नहीं है. So जिस तरीके से फ्लड होता है वो एक नेचुरल प्रॉब्लम है और इंडिया में हर 4 ईयर में होता ही है ना. हर 4 ईयर में सभी जगह पे फ्लड होता ही है. सो अर्थक्वेक भी होते हैं, वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस भी होते हैं, साइक्लोन भी होते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो challenges faced by our country. Now let us see in detail what the problems said to us. Now let's discuss this internal problems in detail. Okay, now in internal problems, first we have overpopulation. We are talking about internal problems. In this first we have overpopulation. Do you know what is the meaning of overpopulation? Yes, of course. Why not? Right? So, Malav had to attend his maternal uncle's marriage. He came to the bus stand with his mother. It was very crowded. The bus arrived, but there was no place to sit. He could not board the bus as everybody was pushing one another. Thus, he could not reach his uncle's place in time. Why do you think this happened? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Yes, here it is shown one situation is that one boy Malav is there who is going to attend his uncle's marriage, but the bus, okay, जो बस थी, it is full of crowded. वो क्राउड से भरी हुई थी. Lots of people are there. Everyone is pushing each other. Okay, जगह के लिए एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे थे, धक्का दे के वो लोग आगे जा रहे थे. सो इस वजह से जो मालव है वो अपने अंकल की मैरिज पे टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पाया. और क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Why these things happened? Because of the population. Because of the increase in the numbers of the people. Okay, लोगों की बर्थ में लोगों में इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ह्यूमन बींग्स की जो नंबर्स है उसमें इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं नंबर्स. राइट? सो पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है एंड इसकी वजह से नॉर्मल व्हीकल, अभी आप देखो रोड पे कितने सारे व्हीकल्स जाते हैं ना, सब इतने पर्सनल व्हीकल का यूज करते हैं, अपने पर्सनल व्हीकल रोड पे इतने चल रहे हैं. देन ऑल्सो आप बस देख लो, ट्रेन देख लो, सब फुल हो रहे हैं. Why these things happen? Just because of the overpopulation. In the previous chapter, we have studied about overpopulation and its effect. The root cause of almost all the problems is overpopulation. Let's think about the ways to control population. Increase in population means increase in demand for facilities and infrastructure. Underline the sentence. Increase in population means what? Demand for facilities and infrastructures. जैसे कि population बढ़ेगा तो हमें facilities चाहिए. घर में 2 लोग रह रहे हैं, अगर तीसरा आ जाए तो we need extra room. Okay, we need extra room, we need extra facilities. हमें उसमें facilities चाहिए, हमें उसमें infrastructure चाहिए. So what does the overpopulation means? Demand for facilities and infrastructure. Population growth outgrows the growth of economy. In other words, the population growth is more and faster than the growth of economy. Right? It is said that कि पॉपुलेशन इतनी जल्दी इंक्रीज हो रहा है जितने की इकोनॉमी भी नहीं होती। ओवर पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज्ड मोर देन द इकोनॉमी ऑफ द कंट्री। इतनी स्पीड में पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है, इतनी स्पीड में लोगों की बर्थ हो रही है, इतने सारे लोग बढ़ रहे हैं हमारी कंट्री में, ओके, जितनी तो हमारी इकोनॉमी भी नहीं बढ़ती। सो व्हाट इज ओवर पॉपुलेशन? Increase in the numbers of the human beings, numbers of the people, okay, and overpopulation means increased overpopulation means demand for facilities and infrastructure also, okay. Now today we stop here. We discussed overpopulation, we discussed about internal problems, we already showed the list of internal problems faced by India, and we discussed about overpopulation. Now next point we will discuss tomorrow, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for today. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.